Imagine a controller that adapts to you, not the other way around. Sony's PlayStation Edge controller DualSense Edge wireless controller isn't just another accessory. It's a revolution in personalized gaming. Built for players who demand precision, comfort, and control, this elite-grade hardware redefines what it means to own the battlefield, racetrack, or fantasy realm. Swap stick modules mid-session to combat wear and tear, customize trigger lengths for lightning-fast shots or nuanced throttle control, and map back buttons to execute complex moves effortlessly. Whether you're a competitive FPS ace craving split-second accuracy or an RPG strategist needing quick access commands, the Edge bends to your playstyle. 3 interchangeable stick caps, remappable inputs, and savable profiles ensure every grip, click, and trigger pull feels tailor-made. And yes, it's still a DualSense at heart. Haptic feedback thrums with every explosion, while adaptive triggers tighten like a drawn bowstring. This isn't just about playing better, it's about playing smarter. Ready to ditch one-size-fits-all and embrace a controller that evolves with you? The Edge is yours to claim. Product dimensions: 8 by 8 by 4.5 inches. Type of item: video game. Language: English. Item weight: 2.6 pounds. Manufacturer: Sony. Batteries: 1 lithium-ion batteries required. Included. About this item: aim and move with precision by swapping in fresh stick modules, so you're always playing with equipment that's in great shape. Plus, 3 types of changeable stick caps help you stay comfortable in-game without sacrificing grip or stability. Mappable back buttons. The DualSense Edge wireless controller's 2 swappable sets of back buttons can be configured to any other button input, so you've always got game-changing actions and essential controls at your fingertips. Adjustable trigger lengths. Manually set the travel distance of your left and right triggers for an optimal experience with whatever you're playing. Fast-paced FPS? Set a shorter travel distance to shoot faster on the field. Competitive racer? Set a longer travel distance for precise throttle control on the track. Remappable buttons. Remap or even deactivate specific button inputs, so you can create a completely personalized control setup that's ideal for the game at hand. Quick swap control profiles. Once you've found your ideal control settings, you can save them to unique profiles and swap between them on the fly, so your favorite configurations are always ready when you are. Product description: get an edge in gameplay by creating your own custom controls to fit your playstyle. Built with high performance and personalization in mind, the DualSense Edge wireless controller invites you to craft your own unique gaming experience so you can play your way. Ultra customizable controls. Changeable stick caps, remappable inputs, and custom settings make your DualSense Edge wireless controller uniquely yours. Fine-tune your aim by adjusting stick sensitivity and dead zones. Set the travel distance of your triggers for faster inputs, and quickly swap between control profiles so you're always ready for your next game. Mappable back buttons. Swappable back buttons can be configured to any other button input, so you've always got game-changing actions and essential controls at your fingertips. Plus, with 2 different styles of button to choose from, you can pick an input type that feels just right for your playstyle. DualSense wireless controller features built in. Enjoy all the immersive features of the DualSense wireless controller and our signature controller comfort. Experience varying force and tension at your fingertips with adaptive triggers, and feel your in-game actions and environment simulated through haptic feedback. Replaceable stick modules. Play for longer with swappable replacement stick modules available to purchase separately. Haptic feedback and adaptive trigger features available when supported by game. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the product review channel for more videos.